I'm at the National Air and Space Museum, and this is the Star Trek Enterprise from the television program. Once or several times a day, for about 10 minutes, they light up the Enterprise, and here it is all lit up. They did a beautiful job on this model. Let me see if I can get underneath and show you that part. Oh yeah, that's nice. It looks just like we're on TV, except for those kids walking behind us. So again, this is the Enterprise studio model, recently refurbished. This is the side that they did not show to the camera. This is the side where you see all the wires coming in, and what they did when they needed this side visible, they just flipped the image. But I'm going to walk around here past one of the nacelles and go to the back here, see the shuttlecraft bay there. That's a nice shot right there. Again, this is the studio model of the Enterprise, long held in the gift shop and now beautifully restored to the era of the program, right about the time of Space Seed. And when we come around the other side, you'll see the nice lights that they did here. So, beautiful job. Again, this is at the National Air and Space Museum, downtown Washington, D.C.